Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, the alien who still doesn't understand why humans wear socks.
You'll learn today, Blip.
Great, because last time you said I need a jacket for cold weather. What is a jacket? Is it like a small blanket?
Kind of. A jacket is a piece of clothing we wear to stay warm.
Ah, humans wear warm blankets with sleeves. Brilliant.
Exactly. And today we'll learn all about clothes, what people wear, and how to talk about them in English. Clothes are things we wear on our body. Shirts, pants, dress, shoes, hats.
So humans cover their whole bodies?
Yes, for warmth, protection, and style.
On my planet, we just change our color. We glow purple for parties.
That sounds amazing. But here, we change clothes, not colors.
So humans say, I'm wearing a shirt.
Exactly. Wear means to have clothes on.
Okay, I'm wearing, my translator belt.
Perfect sentence. Let's learn some common clothing words.
Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, socks, jacket.
Shorts, gloves, scarf.
So many. Humans wear more things than they have arms.
True. Can you try to make some sentences?
Okay, I'm wearing a blue hat.
Great. What else?
I'm wearing shiny translator boots.
Perfect grammar. We wear different clothes depending on the weather.
Ah, like in the last episode. Sunny, rainy, cold.
Exactly. For example, when it's hot, we wear t-shirts and shorts. When it's cold, we wear coats, scarves, and boots. When it rains, we wear a raincoat and boots.
And when it's sparkly?
Maybe sunglasses and a smile.
Perfect. I love sparkly weather clothes.
Now let's talk about colors.
Colors, my favorite subject.
We say, I'm wearing a red shirt.
He's wearing blue pants.
She's wearing a green dress.
And if I'm wearing rainbow socks?
Then you say, I'm wearing rainbow socks.
Ha! Perfect for space travel.
You'll be the most colorful alien on Earth. Accessories are extra things people wear, like jewelry, belts, and glasses.
Accessories. Fancy word.
For example, necklace, bracelet, ring, watch, bag, glasses.
So if I wear my space goggles, they're accessories.
Exactly.
Then I have great style.
You do, Blip. Humans also wash their clothes.
Wash. Why? Don't they stay clean?
No, they get dirty after use.
Ah, human problem number 103.
We use a washing machine to clean them.
A machine? So clothes take a shower.
Exactly. When people want new clothes, they go shopping.
Oh, like when I bought food.
Yes, similar. You can say, I want to buy a new jacket. How much is this t-shirt? Can I try it on?
Can I try it on? Like test flight for clothes?
That's one way to see it. Let's practice a short dialogue. Hi, Blip. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing my blue space jacket and silver boots.
Nice! Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, but Earth sizes confuse me. I asked for small and got a tent.
Sizes can be tricky. Small, medium, large.
I think I'm extra shiny size.
That's a new one. Let's review what we learned today.
Shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, socks, jacket.
Scarf, bag, glasses.
Humans wear so many things, but now I know.
Yes, you're ready for any weather. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about clothes on Earth.
Now I can say, I'm wearing Earth fashion.
You look great, Blip.
Thank you. Next time, can we learn about houses? I want to know where humans sleep.
That's a wonderful idea, Blip.
Yay! Because I can't fit my antennas on a human bed.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.